Yo, what's good YouTube? It's King Brill coming at you again with another video, and today I'm showing you guys how to get a fire twist out. Alright, a fire twist out. I got my 2-strand twist in. If you need help getting 2-strand twists done, you guys, make sure you check out my official tutorial. The link should be right up here in the corner. So you guys ready? I'm excited, man. It's a bang on our hands. I'm ready to get to it. Let's do it.
This what I'm finna set up for y'all. Whoever ain't with this, don't even ask me for that.
You guys, please understand that when taking your twist out, this is a very detail-oriented process, man. The details matter, so you want to make sure that you're not trying to rush. You want to make sure that you're not, in a hurry to go anywhere, because we're gonna spend a little bit of time and show our hair a little bit of love and affection. So first things first, I want to remind you guys that the longer you leave your twist in, the longer your twist out will last. If you got your 2-strand twist in, and you left it in for about 5-6 hours, you shouldn't be looking to even try to take your 2-strand twist out yet. You know what I'm saying? And if you get your 2-strand twist done and you leave it in for a night, 9 out of 10 times your twist out will only last for about a day or so. Before I start taking my 2-strand twist out, I'm gonna get a very trustworthy oil. You know what I'm saying? I got that Rich Royals Royal Growth Serum. Oh yeah, this is exclusive, y'all. Before I take my twist out, I'm gonna make sure I have the oil in my hands. I'll make sure I'm not just rubbing dry hands throughout my hair. I'm also gonna add a little bit of oil to my scalp just to make sure, my hair continues growing and the blood continues flowing. Okay, I used to pull my 2-strand twist out any type of way, but as I become more mature in my hair journey, while simultaneously being fussed at by the women around me, I've realized that I've got to take my time with these. Instead of just pulling them out, I gotta unravel them a little bit. So I'm using a simple technique where I just basically hold one piece of hair and I just swing it around. I swing the other one around the piece of hair that you know what I'm saying? You see what I'm doing, you see what I'm doing. All right, you guys, now I'm gonna take you guys through a bit of a time lapse just so we can speed this up. Let's get into it.
Ooh, is it you saucy?
Definitely need oil on your hands when you do this part. When you separate, absolutely.
Officially this up, so I'm gonna call in emergency resources. I don't fucking do twist outs right here. This is why I don't fucking do twist outs. Man, fuck this twist out, man. Fuck this twist out. Okay, you guys, I think it's safe to say that I fucked this one up pretty bad, alright? And this is just to let you guys know that, you know, not everything is gonna work out the first time, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure, you know, women, they've had many of fucked up twist outs. And this is just one of the, and they still wanna get the twist out. This is why I only do my natural curl pattern, alright? Oh, man, you know what I'm saying? All right, you guys, so now you've seen King Brill fail at a twist out, and now you guys know why I do not do twist outs very much. So yeah, man, I think it's good that you guys get to see me fail, you know what I'm saying? So understand when your hair's all f***ed up and you don't know what to do with it, just understand that King Brill knows what you're dealing with. But since we're here, you know what I'm saying, let's go ahead and do a little lean check, you know what I'm saying, a little lean check. Excuse the dandruff. I let these twists be in my hair for a long time, man. Jesus Christ. Chin, baby.
This what I'm feeling for y'all. Whoever ain't with this, don't even ask me for nothing.
Boy, if you don't